You know, it sure isn't easy being in a hotel room, doing absolutely nothing of value. Nothing at all. Except staring into the blank space of death. Hello, peasants. How's your day going? Hold on a minute. Is that a roller coaster? We've got to ride on it, boy. Because it's good being on my own. Yeah, that's great and all, but you need to do your job. But I hit you, how did you hit me? Plot you, now get back to work. I need to admire the view and look like a villain. And also being completely afraid of heights. If I was just jump up. Okay, I'm okay. I may not actually be alone. But at least I don't have to worry about any. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Yeah, we're also here. Okay, can you just not be here? Okay. Well, I can't believe how well that acts. At least I'm not disappearing anytime soon. Let's trash this room. Actually, let's just live here. You're not we're missing anything back on the silver. Oh no, I don't. Give me my room back.